Hello everyone, this is Shweta Bhardwaj and today we will discuss another topic from chapter 1 solid state of class 12. So the name of the topic is packing fraction or packing efficiency. This packing efficiency actually tells us about how many atoms could be accommodated in a unit cell. It is defined as the ratio of volume of atom, like total number of volume of atom in unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. So we got this formula, that is PE, packing efficiency, is equals to Z, that Z is a number of atom in a unit cell, and volume of atom divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. This is percent because we are calculating efficiency. Okay, so we will check the type of unit cells one by one and we will try to decipher the packing efficiency formula for them. First we will take SCC arrangement. So in SCC arrangement in a unit cell, atoms are present at the corners, we know that, and the distance between two neighbors is edge length, that is A. So the number of atoms Z for SCC is 1 and the radius we know, that is A by 2, or you can say edge length half. Okay, so we are taking the formula of packing efficiency, that is PE is equals to Z, number of atom, into volume of one atom upon total volume of unit cell into 100%. We'll put all the values, like Z we know that for SCC is 1, volume of atom which is in spherical form, so it will be 4/3 pi r cube, and A cube because this is in a form of a cube whose length or edge length is A, so that will be A cube. We'll put the value of radius which we have calculated in the previous video. I have shown you how we have calculated, that is r is equals to A by 2. So we will put all the values, like 1 into 4/3 pi A by 2 ka whole cube. If you expand this, you will get this 1 into 4/3 pi A cube upon 8 upon A cube. So A cube cancel, this 4 and 8 will cancel, give you pi by 6. And this pi by 6, if you just write the value of pi, that is 22/7 upon 6 into 100%, you will get the value 52.4%. So this 52.4% is the packing efficiency for SCC type of arrangement. Okay. Now next we have for BCC arrangement. BCC arrangement, we know that atoms are present at the corners and one atom is present exactly at the center of this unit cell. Okay, we know that Z, or the number of atom for BCC arrangement, is 2 and the radius is √3a by 4. To know how we have got this √3a by 4, please watch the previous video on the solid state, that is analysis of atomic radius. So again we will apply the formula of packing efficiency, that is Z into volume of atom upon total volume of unit cell into 100%. We will put all the values, like 2 for number of atom, 4/3 pi r cube, volume of sphere, upon A cube, volume of cube, into 100. We will put the value of r in this equation. We will get 2 into 4 into pi bracket √3a by 4 ka whole cube into 100 upon A cube, and 4 by 3 ka, this 3 is the 3. We will try to cancel what is cancelling up. So 2 into 4 into pi into 3 into √3. This is the cube of √3. I have written in this form, like you can write √3 ka cube in this form, √3 into √3 into √3. So these two combines to form 3 into √3. So this is 3 into √3 into A cube into 100 upon A cube into 3 into 4 into 16. This 4 into 16 comes from the root of cube of 4, that is 64. I have written it in this way so that we can easily cancel out the whatever numbers are being cancelled. So 4 into 16, if you cut the numbers, like 3 cut A cube, cut A cube, and 4 will cut this 4, and this 2 16 8 times. So we will get √3 upon 8 pi into 100%. If you put the value of pi, that is 22/7, you will get 68% efficiency for BCC type of arrangement. Okay, now the last one which we will see is for the FCC type of arrangement. For FCC, we know that atoms are present at the corners, that is very usual, and one atom is present at all the faces, and that too at the center, face centered. Okay, so the Z value for FCC arrangement is 4 and radius is A upon 2 √2. Again I am telling you, if you wanted to know how this radius has been calculated, please watch the previous video. So we will put the formula for packing efficiency, that is Z into volume of one atom upon total volume of unit cell into 100%. Number of atom for FCC Z is 4. 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 100% upon a cube. We will put the value of r over here. So 4 upon a cube into 4 upon 3 pi a upon 2 root 2 ka whole cube into 100%. If you give the cube to all these values, you will get something like this: 4 into 4 into pi into a cube into 100% upon a cube into 3 into 8 into 2 into root 2. This is the same way I have done for the root 3 ka cube. So that is same I have done with the root 2. Okay, so let's see which values are getting cancelled. So 4, 8. This is 1, this is 2. 2 and 2, 4. Will cut the 4. A cube will cancel a cube. So I think these are the values getting cut. So finally we will get pi upon 3 into root 2 into 100%. If you calculate this, you will get 74%. So the packing efficiency for FCC is 74%. So finally we came to a conclusion that if you find out the order for the packing efficiency for SCC, BCC and FCC, you came to know that packing efficiency for FCC is more, and this is the highest packing efficiency possessed by face centered cubic cell. I hope this is clear to you all. Thanks for watching.